Joint inspection of services for children and young people at risk of harm in Scottish Borders. All children and young people have the right to feel loved, have the care they need to grow and develop and be protected from being harmed. We wanted to understand how well services are supporting children, young people and their families who need extra help from people including teachers, health visitors, nurses, doctors, family support workers, social workers or others. We sent surveys out to children and young people and parents and carers. We received 179 from children and young people and 91 from parents and carers. We also sent out a survey to staff and received 1,204 responses. We read records belonging to 60 children and young people. We read information about Scottish Borders that is available on the internet. We looked at written records and reports that Scottish Borders shared with us. We met with staff, managers and senior leaders. Here are some of the things that we found were working well for children and young people in Scottish Borders. Children, young people and families were helped by having supportive and trusting relationships with staff across services. The quick response from staff when concerns were known kept children and young people safe. Staff worked well together across services to help children and young people get the help they needed quickly to keep them safe. Caring staff supported children, young people and parents and carers to be involved in decisions taken about their lives. Here are some of the things that services in Scottish Borders need to do better. Although there were services providing the right help and support for children and young people in the Scottish Borders, they were not always available when needed. The quality of the plans about the actions to be taken to improve individual children's lives was variable. More work needed to be done to include the voices of children, young people and families in making services better. The people in charge need to gather information better to show how well services are working to keep children and young people safe. Overall, we found that services in Scottish Borders were having a good impact on children and young people who need help to stay safe. Although there were some things they could do better, services had helped lots of children, young people and their families to get the help they needed. Thank you to all the children and young people who spoke to us during our inspection and completed our surveys. Our full inspection report can be found at keninspectorate.com. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter.